This is yam. Yes, this is Nigerian Yam Meat Pie. This is yam turned into a soft, savory, golden crusted pie. If you want to know how I made this yam meat pie, keep watching. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Nigeria style yam meat pie. It's not your regular meat pie, okay? Just pure creative and flavor binding pie. So, start by peeling the yams. You'll be using not much. This yam when blended is about 2.5 cups of yam, as in when you pound it, the measurement. So don't make too much, or if you want to make more, you can adjust the other ingredients to be added to the yam. Now the yam is fork tender and soft. It is time to drain the water. Allow it to cool before you pound the yam. Okay, this is the second step, which is the pounding process. In this pounding process, you build the dough. It is very essential that the dough, that is the yam dough, has its own taste. You start by adding 1 egg, 1 room temperature egg, 2 tablespoons of salted margarine, and 2 tablespoons of cornflour. If you don't have salted margarine, use any margarine you have, then you can add salt. The purpose of adding salted margarine is to build taste for the yam. I added 1 teaspoon of paprika and spring onions. You don't want your dough too sweet. You don't want it too sugary. You want it savory and very tasty. So I'm through with mixing the dough. You don't need to pound it for too long. Everything I use will be written on the screen and in the description. In total, I use 1 cup of flour. The flour is to bind the yam together. We all know that the starch that makes yam structure is quite different from your normal flour. So put ½ cup directly into the cup and mix it with a spatula. Then the rest you will use in bringing the dough, yam dough together. You can see I'm not kneading it, but I'm just trying to bring it together, because if you knead it, you end up overstretching the yam crust. Rather, it's not pie crust, it's not yam crust. Okay, so it's time to cut the yam dough into sizes. You want to fill it up with the meat filling. If you watch my previous video, I made Nigerian meat pie. So this is the leftover from the meat pie. The filling, that filling was so good. So I have some in my fridge. I'll be using it for this Nigerian meat pie filling, or rather yam filling. So all I did was add a little bit of carrot to increase the texture and the taste. I added 1 Irish potato, and it was as good as new. So I'll be using it for today's filling. If you don't have filling already, you can check out my Nigerian meat pie recipe. I even showed how to make your own minced meat at home. So watch the video, it will be in the description, so that you can learn how to make your own filling at home. I didn't include it in this video because I want this video as short and simplified as possible. Okay, so this is what it's all about. I've made the yam meat pie. It's very easy and quick. No special way of cutting it. Just cut it, add your meat pie filling and close it up. Very easy and fast. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma. I'm here to simplify Nigerian dishes and teach you how to make it one recipe at a time. So do well and feel free to subscribe to this channel, okay? Thank you very much. So this is it. The egg helps seal the sides of the yam pie. That is the work of this egg currently. But we'll be using it as egg wash to apply on the surface of the meat pie to give it a good shine and help it brown more. So use your fork to crimp out the edges of the pie, and that is it. Bake the Nigerian yam pie until it's golden brown and it's time to bring it out from the oven. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to recreate it and tag me on Instagram or TikTok. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video, and feel free to check out my other videos, especially the Nigerian meat pie, to learn how to make your own meat pie filling and minced meat. Bye!